Welcome to my channel Simple Concepts by DJ. Today we are going to discuss a numerical problem that is based on integration by parts. So let's get into the video. So the problem is I is equal to integral of x squared into sine 3x into dx. Now we are going to evaluate based on integration by parts. Okay, so before getting into the integration by parts, what we need to do is we need to check whether it applies with this format, ILATE. So ILATE means first we have the algebraic term followed by the trigonometric term. Okay, so here the algebra A stands for algebra and T stands for trigonometry. So algebra is given first preference, trigonometry is given second priority. Similarly, here also in our question we are given first priority for algebraic term and second priority for trigonometry term. So no need to change or interchange the terms which is inside the integral. We can proceed as it is given in the question. Okay, so what we can do is let's start solving this problem. So integral of x squared into sine 3x into dx. So first I am naming it as u and this term as dv. Okay, so we know that for integration by parts we have uv minus integral b into du. Okay, so I is equal to u uv minus integral b du. So first I need to take the term separately, that is u equal to x squared and dv is equal to sine 3x into dx, right? This is what I'm going to do it. So now u equal to x squared upon differentiation will be du is equal to 2x into dx, 2x into dx. Similarly, dv upon integration will yield v, which is equal to integral of sine 3x into dx is nothing but minus of cos 3x divided by 3. So I've got the values. Now I'm going to substitute with this term. So I equal to uv minus integral v into du. U is x squared. Uv. V is minus of cos 3x divided by 3. Uv minus integral of v. V is minus of cos 3x divided by 3. Uv minus integral v into what is it? Du. Du is 2x into dx. 2x into dx. So now what we need to do is, which is equal to minus of x squared into cos 3x divided by 3. Minus into minus will be plus. I am taking this 2 by 3 outside the integral as constant term. So it will be 2 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3 into integral of cos 3x into x into dx. Here again, this is what we are going to do. Here, this is the term which we are getting. Here again there is a warning signal. What we need to look is that we have this integral term and the terms are there within the integral. So we are having cos 3x into x. So cos 3x is a trigonometry term and x depicts an algebraic term. So as far as ILATE is concerned, we should give first preference for algebraic term, then followed by the trigonometry term. So first is that we need to give preference for x, then only cos 3x. So it should come as integral of x into cos 3x into dx. So now what we need to do is we need to evaluate this integral. So I am putting this as let us assume that let I1 be equal to integral of cos 3x into x into dx. Now I'm interchanging the term based on this ILATE principle. So I'll be getting x into cos 3x into dx. This is what I'll be getting. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to evaluate this integral. So when after evaluating the integral, I'll be getting one answer. With that answer, I'm going to put it in the main integral and I'm going to substitute. Okay, so x into cos 3x into dx. So now I'm assuming x as u and dv as cos 3x into dx. So u is equal to x. Similarly, dv will be equal to cos of 3x into dx. Okay, 3x into dx. So u equal to x upon differentiation will be du is equal to dx. Du is equal to dx. Similarly, dv upon integration will yield v, which is equal to integral of cos 3x into dx is nothing but sine of 3x divided by 3. So this is the value. Okay, so I've obtained all the values. Now I'm going to put it in this form. So I1 is equal to uv is x into v, that is x into u into v is sine 3x divided by 3, sine of 3x divided by 3, uv minus of integral vu is sine 3x divided by 3, uv minus of integral v into what is du, du is dx, uv minus integral v into du, du is dx. So now this will yield x into sine 3x divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 3 into what is integral of sine 3x into dx? Integral of sine 3x into dx will be minus cos 3x divided by 3. So it will be minus of cos 3x divided by 3. Okay, so I am putting it as constant c, integration constant. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to substitute. So x into sine of 3x divided by 3, x sine 3x divided by 3, minus into minus plus 1 by 9. So 1 divided by 9 cos of 3x plus c. So this is the value which I am getting, that is the value of I1. I1 value I have got. So now with this value I am going to substitute in this main form. Let us assume that this is equation number 1. So let us assume that this is equation number 2. Now I am going to substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So it will be I is equal to minus x squared cos 3x minus x squared into cos 3x divided by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 divided by 3 into, I have this term as x sine 3x divided by 3, x into sine 3x divided by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 divided by 9 cos 3x plus 3, cos 3x plus 1 by 9 cos 3x plus c. So plus c. So this is the term. So now what I am going to do, I am going to multiply 2 by 3 with the term that is present inside the bracket. So this will be equal to minus of x squared into cos 3x divided by 3 plus 2x sine 3x 2x sine 3x divided by 3 3s are 9 plus 2 by 3 9s are 27 cos of 3x plus c. So this is the final result. So I equal to minus x squared into cos 3x divided by 3 plus 2x by 9 into sine 3x plus 2 by 27 into cos 3x plus c. So this is the final result. This is the final result for this sum which is based on integration by parts. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope this video will be very interesting and helpful. Thank you all.